And if you keep isolating yourself further and further from nature, you become a very monotonous expression of nature. And so if you live in an air-conditioned home and you keep your windows closed, you run to the garage, you jump in a plastic off-gassing car, you drive with windows closed and air conditioning to the office, you park and you breathe gasoline fumes while you walk into the office, and then you walk into the office that's an off-gassing amalgamation of carpet and paint and drywall, and you breathe that all day long while you look at a computer screen that's feeding you a blue tone, light source that has nothing to do with the solar, cycles of life, the light forms that change from morning to night, and you're isolated in every form.